Okay, here's page 5 of the review. So, 32. Kohl's is having a big sale. Your mom has a coupon for 20% off. She buys a sweater that normally costs $49.95. How much will she save when she uses the coupon? So, we need to do $49.95 times 0.2. And what do we get? 49.95 times 0.2. I get $9.99, and $9.99 is choice B. How much will she save? Okay. Jordan bought a large pepperoni pizza for $18.50. He used 15%. How much did he save? $18.50 times 0.15 equals $18.50 times 0.15 equals $2.78. Oops, can't see that. We're going to round that to 78 cents. Okay, you save $2.78. Number 34, explain the process or the steps you would follow to solve for y in the literal equation. So, these ones. Let's solve for y first. What would I do? I would subtract, let's write this step out, subtract 5x from both sides. That would go away. I get 6y equals 36 minus 5x. I would divide by 6 and divide by 6 in each term. I get y equals 36 divided by 6 is 6 minus 5 over 6x. That's what I would do. Now I have to explain. So, what's the first thing I would do? I'm going to follow what I did. I would subtract 5x from both sides. First thing I did. Then what did I do? Then I would, what did I do here? I would divide by 6, right? I would divide both sides by 6 to isolate y or get y alone. Okay. Then what did I do? Then I would simplify the resulting fractions. So I simplified this. So solve it over here and then write the sentence. Alright, 35. How would I solve for a? I need to get a by itself. I'm going to add 2b to both sides. Add, 2b. I get 12a equals negative 14 plus 2b. You can write it either way. I'm going to divide by 12 into each term. I get a equals a negative 14 over 12 is going to be 7 over 6 plus 2 over 12 is just going to be 1 over 6. So I get 1b, so I can just write b over 6. Alright, so what did I do? I would add 2b to both sides. Then I would divide by 12 on both sides. I would then simplify the resulting fractions. Okay? Gotta answer it like that. Gotta talk about all those steps. Alright, describe two separate examples, or we could say scenarios, that describe the following inequality. X is less than 7. Use complete sentences. What we do not want is you write the sentence, X is less than 7. We want a scenario. So, you could say something like, you have less than 7 pairs of shoes. Okay? If that was in a word problem, that's what you would come up with. X is less than 7. Okay? What about another one? So, the Bears scored fewer than 7 points. If that was in a word problem, X is less than 7 would make sense. That's an expression, an inequality that describes that scenario. Alright, so the Bulls point guard, Derrick Rose, has a career free throw percentage of 81.5. After this year, Derrick wants his free throw percentage to be higher than it is currently. Which percentage will raise the average the most? So he's shooting this. Which is going to raise it the most? 78%, 81.5, 85.6, 87. The biggest. If he shoots 87.4% this year, it'll raise it the most. Okay? So what? Mathematical reasoning. So the higher percent will raise his average the most. That's it. Alright, that's page 5.